In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your pets into humans in ChatGPT. We're keeping this simple and clear. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a chat, add your pet's photo, and write a prompt that transforms your furry friend into a human-style portrait using ChatGPT's image tools. First, open a chat. You can use an existing conversation if you've got one open, or start a fresh chat so everything stays organized. Having a clean thread makes it easier to track versions of your image and refine your prompt without clutter. Next, upload your pet's photo. You can paste it directly if it's already in your clipboard, or just click and drag the image into the chat window. If you prefer menus, click the plus sign next to the chat box and choose Upload File and Images. Select a clear photo of your pet, ideally well lit, in focus, and with the face visible. A straightforward angle makes it easier for the model to capture defining features like ear shape, fur patterns, and eye color. If the background is busy, you don't need to edit it, but a simple background can reduce distractions and help produce cleaner results. Once your image is attached, type your prompt. The simplest option works fine. Turn my pet into a human. If you want a more tailored look, add details that guide the style and composition. Mention the vibe you're going for: casual, formal, artistic, or vintage. Include clothing ideas, a setting, and a mood. You can also specify a pose or background like standing with hands in pockets on a city street at sunset, or studio portrait with soft lighting. If your pet has distinctive traits, note them so they carry over. Fur color translated into hair color, eye color, patterns interpreted as accessories, or an overall personality. Playful, dignified, adventurous. You can even add constraints such as no text on the image or neutral background if you want something clean. Send your prompt and give it a moment to process. If the first image isn't quite right, refine your wording. Ask for a different background, a closer crop, a new outfit, or a specific art style. Small changes in phrasing can make a big difference, so iterate until it matches your vision. Keep your instructions clear and avoid adding unnecessary details that might confuse the result. That's the whole flow. Open a chat, upload your pet's photo, and write a prompt that tells ChatGPT exactly how you'd like that pet reimagined as a human. Have fun experimenting and refining until you get the perfect portrait.